Recruitment and Staffing Services Introduction. At NN Corporation, we offer professional recruitment and staffing services designed to help companies find the perfect talent, quickly, efficiently, and effectively. Whether you are a growing startup or a large established company, NN Corporation provides customized staffing solutions that match your business goals and culture. What is recruitment and staffing? Recruitment and staffing refer to the complete process of finding, attracting, evaluating, and placing qualified candidates into suitable job roles within an organization. At NN Corporation, our goal is simple. We handle the full hiring process, so you can focus on growing your business. Types of recruitment and staffing services. NN Corporation provides KeyCap 1 Permanent Staffing. Permanent staffing focuses on hiring full-time employees who become long-term assets of the organization. Checkmark. What we do: identify job requirements and company expectations, source qualified candidates, conduct screening, interviews, and background checks, match the right candidates with company culture, support onboarding and placement. Checkmark. Why it matters: permanent employees contribute to company stability, improved productivity, long-term growth, stronger team development. At NN Corporation, we ensure every permanent hire adds real value to the business. KeyCap 2 Temporary Staffing. Temporary staffing is ideal for businesses needing employees for a short duration, seasonal work, or project-based tasks. Checkmark. What we provide: short-term workers, flexible, scalable workforce, skilled professionals for temporary roles, easy replacement and quick joining. Checkmark. Benefits for businesses: cost-effective hiring, reduced long-term commitments, flexibility during peak workloads, zero administrative burden. Businesses can maintain efficiency without compromising quality. KeyCap 3 Project-Based Staffing. Project-based staffing is perfect for companies needing specialized expertise for specific projects, such as IT development, marketing campaigns, engineering tasks, or creative design work. Checkmark. How NN Corporation helps: identify required skills, provide experts with proven experience, match talent to project deadlines, ensure tasks are completed efficiently and professionally. This solution ensures companies get the exact skill set they need, only for the duration of the project. Our recruitment process. At NN Corporation, we follow a structured and professional hiring process, understanding client needs, job roles, skills, experience, and culture. Talent sourcing, from job portals, databases, social media, and networks, screening and evaluation, interviews, tests, and document verification. Candidate shortlisting, only the best profiles are sent to the client. Final selection, coordinating interviews between candidate and employer, placement and follow-up, ensuring smooth joining and successful performance. This systematic approach guarantees quality hiring and client satisfaction. Why choose NN Corporation for recruitment and staffing? Strong talent network across industries, fast, efficient, and reliable hiring process, customized staffing solutions, expert team with industry experience, focus on both skill and cultural fit, end-to-end recruitment support, cost-effective and time-saving approach. Our mission is to make hiring easier, faster, and more effective for every business. Conclusion: recruitment and staffing are crucial for building productive, NN Corporation's professional staffing services. Businesses can find the best talent without stress or delays. Whether you need permanent employees, temporary staff, or project-based staff, let's build the dream team your business deserves. Right finger contact us today at +977 984 457 5371.